In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily play with a bot on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser, then go to chess.com and then make sure you are signed into your chess.com account. After that, click right here at play. You will be taken to that page where we need to click right there where it says computer. After that, at the right, we'll be able to select our opponent chess skill level. It is showing right here next to bot's name. The higher is bot's rating, the more difficult is to win that opponent. Once you have selected your bot, click at choose, then select your piece's color, white, black or random, and also game mode, challenge, friendly, assisted or custom. Once you're done with that, to start playing, click right here. And basically that's how you can easily play with a bot on chess.com. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.